Hello students, in this video we will going to discuss an important topic of biochemistry, that is lipid. In this topic we will cover the definition of lipid and classification of lipid. First, there is a brief description about lipid. Lipids are macromolecule or large molecule. The word lipid is derived from a Greek word, that is lipos, which means fat. Lipids are heterogeneous group of compounds. As you know, proteins, nucleic acids and polysaccharides are polymer of some small molecules. Proteins are polymer of amino acid, nucleic acids are polymer of nucleotides, and polysaccharides are polymer of monosaccharides like glucose, fructose, galactose, etc. But lipids are not polymer of some small molecules, but they are aggregates of some small molecules. Lipids are chief storage form of energy besides their role in cellular structure and various other biochemical functions. Then, definition of lipid. Lipids are organic substance or organic compounds which are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. So they are soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, benzene, ether, acetone, etc. Lipids are actually or potentially related to fatty acid. Therefore, lipids are heterogeneous group of compounds, but it is difficult to define them precisely. And classification. Lipids are broadly classified into simple lipid, complex or compound lipid, derived lipid and miscellaneous lipids. So first of all, simple lipid. Simple lipids are esters of fatty acid with alcohol. Again, these are classified into two types, that is fats and oil and waxes. Fats and oils are esters of fatty acid with alcohol, and these alcohols are mainly glycerol. These are most abundant lipid. These are storage form of lipid, and fats and oils are concentrated form of energy. The only difference between fat and oil is that fats are solid at room temperature and oils are liquid at room temperature. Then the second type of simple lipid is waxes. These are composed of fatty acids with alcohol, which are other than glycerol. And these fatty acids are usually of long chain fatty acid. This alcohol may be aliphatic or alicyclic. Then complex lipid. Complex lipids are esters of fatty acid with alcohol containing additional groups such as phosphate, nitrogenous base, carbohydrate, protein, etc. So depending on the presence of this other group, these complex lipids are again classified into four different types, that is phospholipid, glycolipid, lipoprotein and other complex lipids. So the first type of complex lipid is phospholipid. Phospholipids contain phosphoric acid and frequently a nitrogenous base apart from fatty acid and alcohol. So if the alcohol present in phospholipid is glycerol, then this phospholipid is known as glycerophospholipid. And if the alcohol present in phospholipid is sphingosine, then it is known as sphingophospholipid. Examples of glycerophospholipids are lecithin, cephalin, etc. And examples of sphingophospholipids are sphingomyelin. Then glycolipid. Glycolipids contain a fatty acid, carbohydrate, nitrogenous base and alcohol. The alcohol is generally sphingosine, and therefore these glycolipids are also known as glycosphingolipid. Examples of glycolipids are cerebroside, ganglioside, etc. Then the third type of complex lipid, that is lipoprotein. Lipoproteins are macromolecular complexes of lipid with proteins. Then the last type of complex lipid, that is other complex lipid. sulfolipids, aminolipids, and lipopolysaccharides are among the other complex lipids. Then derived lipids. These are the derivatives obtained on the hydrolysis of simple and complex lipids. These include glycerol and other alcohol, fatty acid, mono and diacylglycerol, fat-soluble vitamin, steroid hormones, hydrocarbons and ketone bodies. Then the last type of lipid, that is miscellaneous lipid. This miscellaneous lipid possess characteristics of lipid, and these include a large number of compounds, for example carotenoids, squalene, terpenes, etc. Thank you.